How to add a mail account on your iPhone 17. So this will work on iPhone 17, 17 Pro and also 17 Pro Max. So to add a new email account, we first need to open up the settings on our phone like this. You could then scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click on apps. Now scroll down until you see mail in the list and click on this. Now click on mail accounts and then just press add account. Now click on choose from a list and then go and select your email provider. So for example, you could choose Google, Yahoo or Outlook, and this just depends on your email provider. Now once you've added your email account, make sure the mail is turned on like this. You could then close out of this window and use the search box on your phone to search for mail. Now go and open up the mail app. Click on the backwards arrow in the top left hand side. You can then scroll down and you'll see your different inboxes. Now to see all of your emails between all of your different email accounts, you can just select all inboxes at the top of this page, and this will show you all emails across all different accounts.